When I start teaching, then I feel that I need this kind of course, which is very important for them who want to join any IT career development course, and or who want to join in any company as a office executive or computer operator or any kind of computing job. I know many people who got I mean a little bit heavy skilled task job, like to move packet from here and there, but he has bachelor degree and master degree, but he asked by his manager, do you have any computing skills so that I can put you into the inventory side? He said no. So that drive him to that kinds of laborious job. But if he said yes, then he might get any better one. Also, whoever want to join any IT course, in lots of IT programs and lots of IT courses are opening, or also, I mean, in Dallas city, lots of training centers are there. But many people join without any prior knowledge of this kind of information. I mean, I will go through each and every topic. So this kind of information, without any knowledge, they enter into IT course, and IT course maybe 2 to 3 months or 1 month express way. They teach in express way, and most of the things students cannot get 100%, and the success rate is very low for this reason, because these are the very basic things any person to enter into any IT industry. Then he may learn programming language after that. When the basic knowledge is done, then he can jump into database and programming side or AWS, cloud, lots of things are there. IT industry is like that much big, that much big. But suppose I personally know that much thing, and another person, Mr. X, know that much thing. So, but other IT people see that much bigger picture. But if you ask anybody who work in this domain, hey, do you know this? He said, no, I don't know. I mean, he will answer like a non-IT people answer in this technology. If I'm asked by any person that, do you know that technology? I said, no, I don't know that technology. So IT is vast. So if you want to grab any role, then you need at most 3 to 6 months training. It is not a rocket science. It is very easy. But 3 to 6 months training and some effort. I mean, every week, maybe 20, 30 hours per week. So you actually, I mean, you did this effort before in your bachelor's and master's. I mean, more than the IT course effort, I believe, I strongly believe, all of you did perform more effort in your bachelor or master degree program. Try to motivate all of you into IT industry, or at least any job in any office as an office executive or computer operator job, at least. So that's why our all of our effort relies on these subjects. So let's start. Our course name is Office Executive Computing Skills. Office Executive Computing Skills. This is our course name, and our, okay, this is the slide. So this course is for those people and also who want to get any computer operator job at any office, law office or doctor office or any shopping center, shopping mall, or any kind of business, any computer operator office. I mean, as a office executive, then then that person need this full course. And also who want to join any IT career development course, and also who need to enhance his or her computing operation skills. I mean, home user, but need to enhance their skills. Then that person's for, I mean, that person also can do this course. After this course, you can you can start any IT career course or get an office executive job. So the contents. So contents here. First of all, I categorized the contents. First of all, many people, I think here, many people know some topics already, but I will do. I will start from scratch. So I mean, you may get some prior expertise in some areas, but I will touch each and everything. And first category is computer. Computer, we need to know what is IP address, or what is, I mean, regarding the computer hardware, what is computer HDD, SSD, RAM, motherboard, processor bytes, and computer networks, different kinds of networks. So LAN, MAN, but nowadays we are dealing with Wi-Fi, but also there is LAN. You see all the LAN cables are there. In your backside, all the blue cables are LAN. All the office computers, desktop are connected by using this LAN cable. And workstation, what is workstation and servers. So in this category, you will get the total structure. I mean, whatever you need to know as a starter. So everything you will get, almost everything. I don't see any other things except the hardware part. Keyboards and characters, we'll see ports of a computer, USB, HDMI, DVI, Ethernet, these things, peripherals, printer scanners. Then I move to operating system. There are several kinds of operating system. Windows is an operating system of computer. Things, what is software system, app, and what is server. Server, we have also database server and physical server, operating server, database server, application server, lot many things, but look like very complex things to when I listen from other person. Hey, database server, oh, what is that? Okay, but it is very easy. So as we go through, then you will see it is super duper easy. Oh, this is IT, you will laugh. Definitely. And we have some basic operations. I believe many of you do not know about in depth of the file structure and how to create file and zip file and other things. So what is executable file and text file, main file and link file? These are the things we will cover into operating system part. Right after operating system, the most important part is how to operate your drive, hard drive. How to operate, I mean, how you can manage your drive. So this kind of operations is very important. And application operation, this is also a crucial chapter. Application operation, I mean, the common keys that will expedite your task. So suppose if you don't know some certain things, then a 10-minute task, it might cost you, I mean, 1 hour, just because of, well, very little bit of knowledge. So if you know this knowledge, then it will save your time. I mean, whenever you work on in this line, on this topic. So it will help you tremendous. Suppose if you do not have a better typing speed, like you type like this one, these in 1 character per second, then you lose a big chunk of your from your life to in typing. So if you have better speed, then you will gain a big chunk of life for yourself to work around into the park with your kids. So how I can increase the typing? I will show you, and in this course also I include typing. So typing is very important thing, and it saves lots of time. Only your 1 month struggle will save you the whole life struggle, save you from your whole life struggle in typing. Okay. And then some useful application that also save your time, I mean, and enhance your productivity, increase your productivity double it make it double or tripled your productivity. Useful application like Paint, Draw, calculators, and sticky notes and other things. These are the things you need to know. And these things, office email, 100% company in this world use Outlook. I mean, maybe, I mean, not 100%, maybe 99%, more than 99%. I never see any office without Outlook. So you need to know what is how I can send email with attachment, send email with multiple file, how I can send multiple file with zip by zipping and unzipping, this kind of operation. What is CC and BCC? So these are very interesting topics, and reply all, and email chain and forward. So these kind of knowledge you need to know to become an executive in any office. And also this part is very essential part. It save your life by uploading all of your important data, not in the computer but in the Google Drive. If somehow the your laptop or computer broken or stolen, then all of your data will go. So Cloud Drive, you need to have knowledge on Cloud Drive and how I can use Cloud Drive efficiently. So these kind of information you need to know. Also, many company use Cloud Drive folder for their collaboration, for their sharing files from multi people, from multiple uh, workstation or laptop. And next is printing information. So printing information, there are some issues are there. I mean, I'd like to say not issue, but I mean some subtopics are there, which is very important. It will save your time a lot. I I know one person in front of me. He was printing 1 page of paper, but he wasted more than 25 or 30 pages because of the alignment, and whenever he print it, it become not he is not actually was not that much aware of these things. That's why he waste his time, also money. Also, this is very important in office also, because you need to print lots of office paper. And next one is internet skill. So it is the demand of this time. So internet skill, everybody need to know about internet, how I can browse or search my topics from billions of topics. I need to search it. I need to explore how efficient way I can search. So search technique will make you, I mean, a billionaire, not in paper money, but in knowledge. If you're efficient in searching, then you will get the magnet element, what you want, you are seeking, so in front of your eyes, within a second, within a few seconds. So internet skills, and also we have here, from web, we need to install some programs, and there are also some unwanted programs also available into the internet. So we need knowledge, what is good for me and which website is bad for me. We need to have this knowledge. Unless our computer can be hacked and your identity might be in, I mean, your identity theft, you will get a risk of identity theft. And office meeting, it is very essential for the communicating with many people nowadays work from home. So when people work on site, they have meeting in meeting room, I mean, in on the round table or rectangular table, in face to face. So they don't need meeting don't need to open the meeting software. But nowadays, uh, not most, in COVID time, most 90% job was in remote, I mean, especially in IT industry. But now I can say 40% or 30% still remote is there. And because 2 years they enjoy remote, and from manager to top to bottom, everybody like remote. So they don't want to go office anymore. Uh, so that's why many company don't want to go to on-site. They declare already, no, we will not go to on-site. There are a lot of things involved if any company operate their activity in on-site, the building rent and the insurance cost. If insurance company know that here 100 people work in one building, same building, then insurance rate is super high, very high rate. So that's why they try to minimize. Also, it is also remote working demand has come from the employees also. Manager also want, employees also want, subordinate, coordinate, all ordinate wants remote working nowadays. So there are lots of office meetings, but most important meeting will be, Skype, WebEx, GoToMeeting, and also Zoom meeting. So when I got my latest one, you will see the Zoom meeting. So, but I will send you my latest one. There are few changes, five, six topics I added in my latest one. And this is, and next is Microsoft Word and Excel. I will show you some things which you will find very interesting in Microsoft Word and Excel. Whatever you need to become an office executive, I will show you all those things. Not like a designer, office designer, design a leaflet or flyers. It will not, but you can easily work in office. Work with your letter, paragraph, picture, header, table, footer, all the necessary things you can have. Because Microsoft Word is is a separate course, which has 1 month long or 2 month long course. But I will deliver which are important to work in any office, those things. Version Microsoft Word. I will do version 13. Latest version I will do. You will see the same version in any office, because Yes. 365 365 is one version, but every year or every 6 months or every after certain period, Microsoft automatically enhance this version, but it will not become Microsoft 366. They do not increase this name, I mean number, or change the name, but every year or every 6 months they upgrade this one. It is online version also. It is window based. One is web based, another one is hmm? Yes, I mean when in this class you need Microsoft Word and Excel, but if you don't have in your laptop, then we will do it in what, in browser here, and online version is free, so you can do it in browser. I will show you everybody when we are in this topic. And this is, I mean, I say everybody is life changing, a lifesaver, right? But this is also one thing, troubleshooting. So I will not find any person without having any trouble with their computer, right? Everybody got trouble with their computer. So there are some certain things, if you know, then you can fix your computer issue. Before, in Windows 98, 95, Windows was not that much robust to save that computer from the virus and other things. But Windows 10 and 11, each is much more stronger than Windows 98 and Millennium Edition, Windows ME, and even Windows 8. Windows 10 and 11, each is, very, very strong and very robust, even though some of the knowledge you need to know how to restore your system. Suppose, no, I will go in detail. Okay, so how to restore your system? Suppose you find your system is not working, computer is not working. Restore means you dreaming right now that if I switch back my all the system 1 week before, this dream happened with this operation, system restore. So it is a magic dream, magic technology from Microsoft. And previous version also another magic. Suppose you save some files in one folder, and it is saved for years after years. And suddenly you find, instead of 10 file, you see only 7 file, 3 file is missing. You don't know how those file deleted. Then you can see 1 year ago, and I mean you can move this folder status 1 year ago. So this is called previous version. This is also fully magic from Microsoft, and it saves life. System restore and previous version, it will make you stress free.